Hey there, future finance professionals. Ready to unlock your potential with top-notch courses? Welcome to Simandhar Education, your trusted partner in achieving your academic goals. This video will guide you through the simple process of purchasing a course and unlocking a world of learning opportunities. Go to our website at www.simandhareducation.com. Here you will find all the details you need to get ahead in your accounting career. Head over to Buy Course. You'll find a wide range of courses designed to help you ace your exams and advance your career. Browse through our comprehensive Our Courses section. Click on the course and get specific details you need on the right course for you. Click on the Add to Cart button for the course you have selected. Sign up and enter your details. If you're new to Simandhar, create a free account by providing your name, email, desired password, location, and contact number. If you're already registered, simply log in. Ready to commit? Head to your cart. You can review your cart contents before proceeding. Choose your preferred payment method, debit, credit card, net banking, or other available options. Follow the secure checkout process, entering your payment details accurately. Upon successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email containing your order details and invoice. Along with this, you'll receive a sweet welcome email from us, which will include your unique login credentials for the Simandhar Learning Management System portal and other necessary details. Within 24 hours, a member of our dedicated team will reach out to you. They will inquire about your book preferences, delivery address, and answer any initial questions that you may have. We then invite you to attend our onboarding session. This session will walk you through the LMS portal navigation, course features, and valuable study tips. We encourage you to attend and clarify any further doubts. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased our Simandhar course and now you're on your way to achieving your professional goals. Remember, our team is always here to support you throughout your learning journey. Now go forth, excel in your chosen field, and become the finance professional you always wanted to be.